Give me more, I got a first customer. Look at that bad boy. What year is this? Oh, 04.
Had a fight with the curb.
Yeah, so you'll see Dan's pointing out right back there. High schooler, I think. Yeah, kind of slid out, hit his driver rear on a curb. So we're gonna lift this bad boy up, replace what? Axle, rotor, all the
ABS sensor.
Yeah. So should be a fun project. Ready to get this thing back on the road. I think he's been out of service for quite some time. So we'll get it up and get going.
Yeah.
Okay, what's going on?
So we got the wheel off. You can see it's not right.
Yeah.
You don't want this.
See, yeah, that big gap.
So we're gonna first pull the drain plug out of the diff and make sure that comes out without problem. Because we're gonna have to open the diff up, pull the C-clips, pull the axle, then we might be able to get to what's going on with this rotor. It's in bad shape. So we'll get there and then we'll pull this dust shield off. We're gonna have to reshape it or cut some of it off because it's pretty far gone.
All bent around it.
But we've got new axle with studs, new ABS wheel, new ABS sensor, new rotor. We're gonna try to straighten out his dust shield, and then that should do it. Just refill the diff and call it a day.
Sick. Let's get on it. Okay, what are we doing?
We're removing the. I guess I don't know the actual name for it, but it's like a keeper bolt. So that bolt threads into a pin, which keeps that pin from backing out. And that pin prevents the axles from. Oh, let's take this out. I have to go up with it. Man, can't get it out anywhere. Oh, well, the pin fell out. Guess we don't need to take the bolt out of the pin for now.
Okay, there we go. Pin out.
Yeah, and now I can push the axle in so I can get the C-clip out.
Yeah, and then that'll allow us to disassemble the whole axle back here.
The axle out,
Yeah, take everything apart. Okay, we're back in day 2. We had to stop yesterday because we got the wrong gasket size. But it's all put back together. You'll see that the new axle is in. You'll see here that when we took out this old axle, there's that significant bend in it, which was just causing all the issues. So pulled that one out, put it back in, new bearings, everything. We're gonna tighten this bad boy down, fill back up with new diff fluid. And then I think we're just kind of putting things back together, right?
Yep.
So, pretty easy project, pretty straightforward. So I'm excited to get this kid back on the road. She's back. Dan's gonna take her just for a quick test drive to make sure everything's running accordingly. So, yeah, new axle and then full new brake setup in the back besides the lines, but looking good. How to ride?
No, it was fine. Got it back together. It still has a busted wheel, so it's got the spare on it for now.
Right.
We took it up to 70 miles an hour. Didn't wobble, didn't rattle, didn't do anything scary. Brakes are a little squishy, but I think it's just because there's 150,000 miles on it. Not gonna get much better than that. There you go. New axle.
Cool. Project done.